You know what's crazy? Research shows that traders hold on to losing positions over 4 times longer than winning ones. 4 times. That's not a strategy problem, that's a psychology problem. And here's the thing, most beginners on Olymp Trade don't lose because they picked the wrong asset or entered at the wrong time. They lose because they let their emotions hijack their decisions. Fear, greed, excitement, panic, these feelings can cost you way more than any bad trade ever could. But what if I told you that staying calm isn't about being emotionless? It's actually about understanding your psychology and having the right tools to manage it. And on Olymp Trade, you've got everything you need to build that mental edge, even if you're just starting out. Stick around because today we're diving deep into the psychology of trading, and I'm going to show you exactly how to keep your cool when the market gets hot. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine this. You're watching a Euro USD trade. You're up 15. Your heart's racing. You plan to close at $20, but suddenly it dips to $12. Panic kicks in and you close early. 5 minutes later, it shoots up to $25. Sound familiar? That's the emotional roller coaster every trader faces. The difference between losing traders and winning ones isn't talent, it's psychology. Here's what you're about to learn. You'll discover the exact mental traps that destroy beginner traders, the simple techniques pros use to stay calm under pressure, and how to use Olymp Trade's features to build emotional discipline from day one. Let's get into it. Part 1. Understanding your trading brain. Alright, so here's what's happening in your brain when you trade. When you see a red candle dropping or a green one shooting up, your brain doesn't see numbers. It sees threat or opportunity, and it reacts fast. This is called emotional trading, and it comes in two flavors, fear and greed. Fear makes you close winning trades too early because you're terrified of losing profits. Or worse, it freezes you in losing positions because you can't accept the loss. Remember that stat I mentioned? Traders hold losses 4 times longer than wins. That's fear talking. Greed makes you overtrade, chase losses, or ignore your plan because you want more, more, more. It's that voice saying, just one more trade, I can make it all back. And here's the kicker. Trading platforms don't care about your emotions. The market doesn't care. But Olymp Trade actually gives you tools to fight back against these impulses. More on that in a sec. The first step, just knowing this is happening. Once you recognize fear or greed creeping in, you've already won half the battle. Part 2, the demo account, your psychology gym. Now, if you're brand new to trading, here's the best advice I can give you. Start with Olymp Trade's demo account. Here's why this matters. Olymp Trade gives you 10,000 demo credits. That's virtual money you can use to practice without risking a single cent. And this isn't just about learning how to place trades. This is your psychology training ground. Think of it like this. When you trade with demo money, you're not emotionally attached to the outcome. You can test strategies, make mistakes, and see what happens when you don't follow your plan, all without the panic that comes with real money. Here's what you should do. Trade on demo for at least 2 weeks. Track every emotion you feel. Did you get greedy after a win? Did fear make you exit early? Write it down. Because when you switch to real money, those same emotions will show up, but now you'll know what they look like. Pro tip, treat your demo account like real money. Set realistic trade amounts, maybe $5 or $10 per trade. If you're throwing around $500 in demo trades, you're not preparing yourself for reality. You're setting yourself up for shock when you go live. Part 3. Build your trading plan. Okay, here's where most traders go wrong. They jump into the market without a plan. And when you don't have a plan, you're basically letting your emotions drive the car. Here's what a solid trading plan looks like. Set your risk level. Only risk money you can afford to lose. On Olymp Trade, you can trade as little as $1. Start small. 2. Define your entry and exit points before you trade. Don't make it up as you go. If you're trading a currency pair, decide, I'll enter at this price level, exit at this profit target, and cut my losses at this stop loss point. Write it down. 3. Stick to it, no matter what. This is the hard part. When you're in the trade and emotions kick in, your plan is your anchor. It keeps you from making impulsive decisions. Olymp Trade's platform actually makes this easier. You can set fixed time trades or use stop loss features depending on what you're trading. The tools are there, you just have to use them. And here's something crucial. Accept that losses will happen. Even with a great strategy, you're not going to win every trade. That's just math. But if you stick to your plan, the wins will outweigh the losses over time. Part 4. The breathing room between trades. Here's a mistake I see all the time. Traders close one trade and immediately jump into another. Win or lose, they're already scanning for the next opportunity. And that's how you burn out. Or worse, blow your account. Trading experts recommend taking breaks between trades. Why? Because your brain needs time to reset. After a win, you might feel overconfident. After a loss, you might feel desperate to make it back. Both of these emotions lead to bad decisions. Here's what to do instead. After every trade, step away for 5 to 10 minutes. Seriously, go grab water, stretch, do whatever, then come back and check your trading journal. What did you do right? What could you improve? This cooling off period is where discipline is built. And remember, Olymtrade's platform is available 24/7, but that doesn't mean you should be trading 24/7. Quality over quantity always. Part 5, a simple example, trade. Let me walk you through a beginner-friendly example to show you how this all comes together. This is a hypothetical scenario to illustrate the concepts, not a recommendation or real trade. Let's say you're looking at a gold XAU USD trade on Olymtrade. You've done your analysis and you believe the price will go up over the next hour. Your plan, entry, current price is $2,650, investment, $10 within your risk tolerance. Target profit, 80% return, DARF $18 total, $8 profit. Stop loss, exit rule. If price drops 2% against you, close the trade. You place the trade. 5 minutes in, gold dips to $2,635. Your heart rate spikes. Fear kicks in, but you check your plan. You're still within your stop loss range. You wait. 10 minutes later, gold climbs to $2,660. Now greed appears. Should I close now or wait for more? You check your plan again. Your target is 80% return at expiry. You stick to it. At expiry, if you're correct, you walk away with $8 profit. If not, you lose $10, which you already budgeted for. See how the plan removes emotion? It's your rulebook in the chaos. Part 6. Tools that help you stay calm. So what makes Olymtrade particularly good for managing psychology? First, the demo account. We talked about this. 10,000 credits to practice without pressure. Second, flexible trade sizes. Starting at just $1 means you can ease into real trading without the anxiety of risking too much. Third, the revamped interface. This year, Olymtrade launched a simplified platform with AI-powered guidance designed specifically for beginners. Less clutter means less overwhelm, which means clearer thinking. Fourth, educational resources. The platform offers tutorials, market analysis, and strategy guides. Knowledge reduces fear. Use these tools. They're not just features, they're your psychological safety net. Here's the bottom line. Trading isn't just about charts and numbers. It's about mastering yourself. Fear and greed will always be there. But with the right plan, practice on demo, and discipline, you can stay calm when it matters most. Remember, every pro trader started exactly where you are now. The difference? They learned to control their emotions instead of letting emotions control them. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading psychology tips and Olymtrade strategies. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest emotional challenge when trading? And hey, if you're ready to start practicing, I've got an affiliate link to Olymtrade in the description. Full transparency, if you sign up through my link, I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making content like this. But only sign up if you're ready to take trading seriously and start with that demo account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay calm, trade smart.